What's up guys, it's your girl Shantae, also known as Naturally Shiny. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome to the channel. If you guys have been rocking with me since day one, welcome back to the channel. So before we jump into this video, make sure that you guys give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel and click that bell so that you don't miss a video whenever I upload, because you guys are ready. Alright you guys, so aloe vera, it contains antioxidants, enzymes, vitamin A, and vitamin C. And it is highly anti-inflammatory, which is like really good for your skin if you break out in like hives and stuff like that, like me. It can help treat burns, acne, and also dry skin. Alright you guys, so here is 6 tips on why aloe vera gel is good for your skin for certain reasons. Number 1 is it helps soothe sunburn. So aloe vera gel has cooling properties and is anti-inflammatory. It is one of the most natural remedies for sunburn or burnt skin. Applying this gel helps with a protective layer for skin, and it also helps to retain moisture. It is rich in antioxidants and minerals that boost the healing process of your skin. So basically you use this for sunburn, or like if say like in the summertime or just anytime like dry heat or whatever, you break out in hives. I actually tend to break out in hives, so I actually have used aloe vera gel for when I did break out in hives during the summertime, especially when I was pregnant with my daughter. Like I was pregnant through the whole entire summer and I actually broke out in hives. I just tend to do that a lot. I break out in hives in the summertime when I get too hot, or if in the winter time our radiators get like too hot and it's dry heat, and I will tend to break out because it gets too hot. As well as my oldest son has the same thing. He gets the same way, and so does my little baby boy, Shaheem. He's the same way. So they got their mom's skin, and they tend to break out when they get a bit too hot. But aloe vera gel has actually helped us out a lot. You can also find it in the stores for babies as well. They have aloe vera baby oil gel that you can get that I actually use for baby boy. I actually purchased 3 of them because just in case you never know, and as well as I can use it as well for my skin and so can my oldest son, just in case as well. Number 2, it helps to moisturize the skin. So unlike regular market bought moisturizers, aloe vera gel, when used as a moisturizing gel, doesn't leave a greasy film on the face and the skin. In fact, it does just the opposite. It unclogs the pores and softens the skin. It can also be used as an aftershave treatment. This is because the aloe vera gel helps to keep the skin hydrated and heals burns by razors and small nicks and cuts. It also helps treat dry skin. Yes, so I actually had found this out like a couple months ago, and I was like, okay, let me try the aloe vera baby oil gel, because they said that you can use baby oil for shaving instead of the shaving cream, because sometimes you get cuts, and baby oil actually leaves a smoother, cleaner look instead of shaving cream when you shave yourself, for men or for women. And so I actually used the aloe vera one, the baby oil, and it actually left my skin completely smooth, no cuts, no nicks, no knacks. I usually don't cut myself anyway, but it left my skin nice and smooth. My legs was nice and smooth, so y'all should definitely try it out. Okay. Number 3 is it boosts healing of the wounds. So basically, like if you get like a cut, like a scrape cut, paper cut, doesn't matter, you fall, scrape your knee, anything like that, aloe vera can definitely help the healing process and definitely boost it up a little bit, especially for like burns. So like if you get like a 1st degree burn, a 2nd degree burn, 3rd degree burn, aloe vera actually helps the healing process as well. Actually speeds it up, as a matter of fact, because it's a natural plant that goes from the earth. It's not an over-the-counter product that you're using that's going to take a bit more long. It may take 2 weeks for an over-the-counter product to help you heal up. Aloe vera gel is natural, so it just helps automatically. So within like, I'll say like maybe like a week, a burn is a burn, okay? And things hurt. So just try aloe vera gel, because it has soothing remedies to it, so it will help soothe it so that you will feel less pain and all that type of stuff. So for it fights skin aging. So aloe vera gel has vitamin C and E, so therefore has anti-aging properties. It also contains antimicrobial properties and is anti-inflammatory, like we said before. It also helps eradicate skin blemishes and diminish age lines. Additionally, it helps to increase the production of collagen in the body and the skin elasticity. Hopefully I said that right. Yeah. Tongue tie. Y'all know what I mean. Alright, number 5, it reduces infections and acne. So those who suffer from, breakouts, from acne, getting, pimples, whatnot, the aloe vera will definitely help you guys out with that. So those who suffer from acne will find respite in aloe vera. It helps in general cleansing and is antimicrobial properties. Treat pimples without causing any damage to the skin. It is an antiseptic that allows protection against bacteria. So these help in the growth of new cells and at the same time reduce inflammation and redness. It also works as an astringent to reduce the size of pores, flushing out the excessive sebum, microbes, and dirt. Number 6, okay, it lightens blemishes on the face and on the skin. So we already know aloe vera gel works wonders. So aloe vera contains powers to boost skin cells reproduction, reduces redness, and fights skin inflammation. It is a natural treatment for stretch marks and acne marks. To treat freckles and lighten age spots, add some lemon juice to the gel mixture. And you just put it on your face for like 5 to 10 minutes. And voila, use that little mixture for like 1 to 2 times a week, just depending on how sensitive your skin is. So, all right, you guys, so it's time for aloe vera face mask. Okay. I know you guys are probably like, this girl's in a good mood. I ain't in a good mood today. I really am. Okay, so we're not gonna take that. All right, so basically, we have a couple different masks with aloe vera gel, okay? So the first one is aloe vera face mask for acne. So you use 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of organic nutmeg powder, and a few drops of freshly squeezed lemon juice. So you can get the lemon juice at the bottle or just get lemon and just, do a little drop. Boom, boom, boom. Mix it up. Leave for a second. Put on your face 1 to 2 times a week because lemon will leave red spots on your face if you leave it on too long, so do not do that, okay, especially if you have sensitive skin, okay? The second one is aloe vera face mask for dry skin. Now you add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, a half of extra virgin olive oil, and then 1 tablespoon of honey, which is good for dry skin. 3 is the aloe vera face mask for oily skin, which I tend to have like a problem right here. Like I have combination skin, so right here I tend to get very oily at. As you can see light shining right there on my face. So basically it is 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. 4th one is a face mask for sensitive skin. So you do 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of mashed ripe bananas, and a half a tablespoon of honey. That's for sensitive skin. There's a face mask for, to get your face glowing. And 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Alright, you guys, so this is the end of the video. So I hope that you guys learned some new things as well as I learned some new things that I did not know before. Hope this video was useful for some people. You can recommend this video to other people that do have these problems and, need some beauty tips or whatnot. Now, thank you guys so much for supporting me. Once again, I love you all, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful and blessed day. And just continue reaching for the stars and just stay safe out there. So I will see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.